How do I upload a protocol template to a task? Navigate to the task to which you want to upload the template to. Once inside the task, click the protocol options. If you'd like to upload a protocol from your SciNote protocol repository, click here. Now we can select a protocol template from the Protocols tab. To make it easier to find the protocol you're looking for, you can choose from Recent Protocols, Team Protocols, and My Protocols. You can also use the filter. Choose a protocol template from the list and click Load. Please note that in case you had previously created steps in your task, the protocol template you're about to upload will overwrite any existing protocol steps and protocol description. This task was empty prior to uploading this template, so let's click OK. Another way to upload a protocol template is from your computer. Click Import Protocol. The file type you can upload from your computer is the ELN file type. Choose the protocol from your computer and click Open. Preview the protocol, then click Load. I'll click that I agree this protocol overwrites the existing one. To learn more about how to create an ELN file, please watch the video tutorial in the description below. Check out the description below for more information about SciNote.